हाय फ्रेंड, आज के वीडियो में आज हम देखेंगे द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द डीएक्स इलेक्ट्रॉन. एक्स मीन्स 1 to 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द T2G and EG set of orbitals in low spin octahedral complexes. In octahedral complexes the distribution कैसा होता है dx electron on the basis of low spin. The low spin complexes. The low spin complexes में the strong field ligand. So the distribution of the 1 to 10 electron in octahedral complexes on the basis of low spin. First example is that D1. The D1 electron in the D1 configuration, the one in the 5d orbitals, the 5d orbitals in free metals and 1 electron means 1. This electron go in T2G, and the D1 is equal to the T2G1 and EG 0. Then find out P, Q, N, S and M. The what is P, Q, N, S and M? P means total number of electron in the T2G orbitals. Q means the total number of electron in EG orbitals. N means the total number of unpaired electron in the T2G and EG orbitals. And S means resultant spin. How to find out the resultant spin? N by 2. And the M means total number of electron pair in the T2G and EG orbitals. So in the D1, the P is equal to 1. The 1 electron present in the T2G. Q is equal to 0. N is equal to the total number of unpaired electron is 1. And the S is equal to the resultant spin means N by 2 means 1 by 2. And M is equal to the number of pair electron means 0. In second is D2 example. In the 5d orbitals 2 electron 1, 2, 1, 2. These 2 electron go in the T2G set 1, 2. Then D2 is equal to the T2G2 and EG 0. Then find the value of PQ. P means number of electron pair in T2G means 2 electron. The Q means number of electron 0. Number of unpaired electron 2. The resultance means 2 by 2 means 1 and M is equal to 0. Third example, the D3 means in the d orbital 3 electrons. The 5d orbital 1, 2, 3. This is the hypothetical degenerate d orbitals. These 3 electrons go in the T2G set 1, 2, 3. In the distribution of the d electron, the T2G is equal to 3 and EG 0. So find the value of P. P means number of electron present in T2G means 3. Q means number of electron in EG 0. Number of unpaired electron is the 3. Resultant spin 3 by 2 and the M is equal to 0. The fourth is D4. In the 5d orbital 4 electron 1, 2, 3, 4. This is hypothetical degenerate d orbitals. These 4 electron go in the T2G set 3 and 4. So in the D4 is equal to the T2G 4 and EG 0. P is equal to the number of electron pair in T2G is 4. Q is equal to the 0. Number of unpaired electron is the 2. S is equal to 1 and M is equal to 1. Means number of pair electron in the T2G and EG set means 1. In low spin complexes, the first 6 electron go in the T2G and the remaining 4 electron go in EG. Fifth example, in the 5d orbitals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 electron go in the T2G 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then the D5 is equal to the T2G 5 and EG 0. So the P is equal to 5. Q is equal to the 0. N is equal to 1, 1 by 2 and the M is equal to 2 means number of pair electron is the 2. 6 is the D6. So the 5d orbital 6 electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hypothetical division 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 6 electron go in the T2G set means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the d6 is equal to the T2g6 in EG0. The P means P is equal to the number of electrons P is present in the T2g means 6. Q is equal to 0. Number of unpaired electron 0. S is equal to n by 2 means 0, and also M is equal to 3. In the D7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then in the DC1 configuration on the basis of low spin means the strong field ligand. So the first 6 electron go in the T2G set means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then 7 electron go in EG set. So the D7 is equal to the T2G6 and EG1. P is equal to number of electrons present in the T2G means 6. Number of electrons present in EG means 1. Number of unpaired electron 1. And also S is equal to the resultant spin n by 2 means 1 by 2. And the M is equal to 3. M is equal to the 3 in the D7. In the D8 electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then first 6 electron go in T2G set. And 6. Then the remaining 2 electron go in EG set. 1 and 2. So in the D8 configuration, the T2G6 and EG2. So P is equal to the number of electrons present in T2G6 is 6. Q is equal to the number of electrons present in EG is 2. Number of unpaired electron is the 2. S is equal to the resultant spin means n by 2 means 1. And M is equal to number of pair electron is 1, 2, 3 means 3. The D9 configurations. In the D9 configuration, the in 5d orbitals 9 electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1. This is hypothetical degenerate d orbitals. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then in the strong field ligand, the first 6 electron go in T2G set means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then remaining 3 electron go in EG set means 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then in the D9 configuration T2G6 and EG3. So P is equal to number of electrons present in the T2G6 means 6. Q is equal to the number of electrons present in EG means 3. N is equal to the number of unpaired electron in T2G and EG6 means 1. So 1 by 2. Sorry. The means 1 and the resultant spin is equal to 1 by 2 means n by 2 means 1 by 2 and so M is equal to number of pair electron in the T2G and EG set 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sorry friend, N is equal to the number of unpaired electron in the T2G and EG means 1 and S is equal to 1 by 2 means the resultant spin is equal to 1 by 2. So resultant spin is equal to n by 2. N is the 1. So 1 by 2. In the D10, the 10 electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This electron go in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then in hypothetical degenerate d orbital, first 6 electron go in the Eg set. This is Eg, sorry, the T2G, and this is Eg set. Then first 6 electron go in the T2G set, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then remaining 4 electron go in Eg set, means 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the basis of low spin means strong field ligand, so the distribution of the D10 electron, so the first 6 electron go in the T2G set and the remaining 4 electron go in Eg set, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in the D10 is equal to the T2G 6 and Eg 4. So P is equal to 6, Q is equal to 4, N is equal to the 0, S is equal to the 0. P means number of electrons present in the T2G set, Q means number of electrons present in Eg set, N means number of unpaired electrons in the T2G and Eg, means 0, and the S is the resultant spin is N by 2, means 0, and the M is equal to the number of pair electrons in the T2G and Eg is 5. So this is all about the distribution of the dx electron in octahedral complexes on the basis of low spin. Low spin means the strong field ligand. Thank you.